If you want to create your own token in Base in just 5 minutes without coding, then this video is for you. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to be coming to tools.smithii.io. It's going to be the site where we're going to be creating the token. Here, top right, you can select the network. Today, we're going to be creating our token in Base, but you can also do Solana or Ethereum, depending on what you want. In case you want to do your own Solana token, you can check our other social media channels, and there's videos over there on how to do so. To start off with, we select Base and we connect our wallet. In this case, I'm going to do with MetaMask. So we sign and confirm. Now to create the token itself, we're going to go here to token creator, and this is basically how it looks. We start off with a name, it's basically the name of the token. So in this case, I'm going to go with Smithii, and for the symbol, I'll go with STHII. Then for the supply, in my case, I'm gonna go for this, and well, you can basically put whatever you want there, the name of the token, symbol. For the tax, this basically means that you can get a fee per every transaction. So you can set the fee, that's up to you. In this case, I'm going to set 10%. And here's your receiving wallet. So the wallet which you put here, you can of course change this. I'm going to leave this one. Will receive the fees after each transaction. Down here, we've got other options, as for example, the airdrop mode, which during the time this is enabled, no one will be able to send or trade the token. You can activate this at no cost. Then we have the AntiBot, which basically limits the bots during the launch, and the AntiWhale, which has further options, and it limits basically whales trading the token. In this case, I'm going to put 10,000 tokens limit per trade. Of course, it's up to you. You can select the time you want and the tokens you want and the time you want. Here, I'm gonna go for 2 hours. Total limit per wallet in terms of what is the maximum amount a single wallet can hold. I'm going to go for 40,000, and the active period in days, I'm going to go for 4 days. Okay, so now that this is done, we just need to create a token. It's going to be 0.02 Ethereum plus gas, and we hit create the token. It's going to take a minute. We'll need to confirm the transaction here. It's going to be $24. Confirm, and now we just need to wait until the tokens appear in our wallet. Okay, so now we have success. The transaction is being processed, and as I said, we just need to wait for a couple of minutes. Transaction is processed and successful. We'll confirm, and the token should appear soon in our wallets. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes now. If we go to MetaMask here, we can see we have got our Smithii token. And I'm going to show you just quickly around. If you want to manage the advanced options, you come here, home, token manager, manage token settings. I've got Smithii in this case, which is the token we set. This is the contract address for the token, the tax receiver wallet, which is basically the wallet which is receiving the tax or the transaction fee after every transaction is done. If you want to change that, you can just simply put another address there. Exempt addresses, which is basically addresses which won't be affected by the tax or the fee, and blacklist addresses. Then for the AntiBot, same thing. You just put the Smithii token or your token in that case. You can just enable, disable, or again type another wallet which will be exempt from the restriction. And lastly, for the AntiWhale, same thing. You set Smithii, and you can limit everything from tokens per trade, the total limit per wallet, the time limit per trade, and the active period, which is basically all of the things we set a minute ago. You can change after creating the token. So for the time being, that's it. Thank you very much for checking out the video. And in the next couple of weeks, we'll come here and show you how to create liquidity pools, how to create your own image for the token, and more things like this. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.